Come on, focus for the thumbnail camera, please. Wireless. Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm really excited. I just got this on the mail and I really wanted to test this out for me, for my own use, of course, and also to share with you guys on the Other Light Creations channel. I was on the hunt for, I'll keep this short and go straight to the unboxing. I was on the hunt for a wireless lavalier like microphone. And if you are on the business or in the business like I am, you know that you have the Rode Wireless Go 2 and all of that. So the Rode Wireless Go, it costs 218 euros, 218 euros, with one sender and one receiver, and 295, 300 euros, more or less, with two senders and one receiver. I know that it's a very good system. It's probably the top of its game, but I really cannot justify 300 euros for such a system. And I was searching. Nothing really stand out to me and then I found out this last week. So this costs nowadays on the same site with two senders, one receiver, 45 euro. So 45 to 300, which is the two sender solution. It's quite of a steep curve. So let's see if this holds up. Let's see if this is a good alternative. I never heard or experiment with the Rode one, so this is going to be like I like this or I don't. I don't have any means to compare. But if some of you guys actually have some way to compare, let me know on the comments below what you think about this. I will give my honest opinion with very little knowledge with the competition, Rode specifically, but I will try my best to get the best out of this and give you guys a good opinion and also a sample for to work with. So I will start to unbox this. This is kind of an impromptu video. I didn't set up my unboxing camera or anything else, but I'll just go with the flow, go as it is. So this is the general package. Here is if you want, the back thingy-majiggy with the branding. And let's try to open this up. This is really tightly packaged on very tight plastic. Okay, so this will slip up, and oh, you have more. Well, it's kind of somewhat different, but the same of the outer sleeve. So the usual things that they say in the box, nothing really crazy. Blah 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 blah. This is video vlogging and all of that. So I'll just get to the chase and go immediately to that. You get a very simple user manual. We'll put that aside. And yeah, we have the three thingy-majiggies. Let me just take them out because I need to pull. I believe I have to pull this to get to the other stuff. Yeah. This is going to recycling, everything going to almost everything. Okay, lots of cables, which is nice to see. So this is USB-C to USB-C short cable. This works with line out type of thing and also USB-C. In theory, it should work with mobile phones too. We have jack to jack cable with not braided but with coiled, which is nice. Two dead cats for the lavaliers. Very nice. Another USB-C no, sorry. This is not USB-C. This is iPhone-like things. Lightning, is that the thing? Is that the right word? And you have a generic USB-C charging cable. So this charges with USB-C, apparently, which is nice. So let's put this out of the little baggie. We could put this back together enough. Something like we can actually store this for transport, which is nice. We can reveal that box for that. So here we have what it seems to be one of the two microphones. We'll come back to this in a second. Let me get some space. My desk is a big mess right now. I have too much work to do. The second microphone. Let's hope they don't ship me three microphones. and we have finally we have the receiver. Okay, so with every one of them has a clip. So no tripod mount thingy-majiggy, which is I can bear with that. I can live with that. I can have a workaround. So the sender, the emitter or transceiver, the receiver, whatever I want to call it, has linings, is jack, and also has USB-C. Yeah, USB-C. So we can charge with USB-C. See, this should be quite straightforward. Okay, I'm going to put one of the mics away, and I'm going to get one of the dead cats, and because I think it's important. So this should be magnetic, or we just no, it's not magnetic, but it's kind of a button thing, a coat button. You should clip into place. Since this was never clipped before, it's going to be a little bit harder to do so. Yeah, it just clipped. Now I have this. Looks like a Muppet, which is nice. It just clips there. It's not going anywhere. It's there. It's there. Okay. So in theory, so you have also a charging port on the microphone to charge. Not sure what is the autonomy of this. How long can we record? So lapel microphones without need of Bluetooth. 7 hours. Okay, they sell 7 hours of durability of the battery. I will believe them. Okay, in theory, you get your receiver, transceiver, and your mic. In theory, you just have to turn them both on at the same time, and they just a light should pop. Let's see. So that one is blinking. Don't tell me this one has no battery. Or am I pressing? Oh, I was pressing the wrong button. I'm sorry. So this one is blinking green. I will just turn this on. And, well, one is green and one is yellow. Okay, apparently right now I have the microphone on the yellow light and the receiver on the green light. Not totally sure if both have to be green, but there is only one way to find out. That is to find out that it is connected to some sort of camera with audio input and test it out. I'll see you in a moment.
Okay, so here you are. I don't know if you can see this, but the receiver is yellowish. I'm sorry, the microphone is yellowish, and the receiver it's green. So I was expecting to see green on both fans, just to make sure. Yeah, this is the one that is working. Just to make sure. I don't know how this sounds. I will just find out myself when I'm over here editing, and then I'll draw my conclusions afterwards. The other thing I did was I went. This is the Canon R10, and I went to the sound menu, and I disabled anything related to auto gain. Okay, so auto gain off, noise reduction off, everything that it's built in the camera for aiding the audio, everything is off, and the auto gain of the audio was disabled, and I manually configured the gain of the mic. It was way too high. It was picking up all the noise around the room. So if you know the R10 or similar Canon cameras, it's not. I went all the way to nothing, then just one tick above that, and it's looking at the levels. It looks perfect. However, only after listening to this, I can draw some more definitive conclusions. So testing 1, 2, 3. I'm going to step away for a little bit more. So maybe I can get up. Okay, I'm circling my studio, 1, 2, 3. Now I cannot see the camera. Well, I can see the camera and I can see the levels go up and down. So I am about, I don't know, 10 meters, they're 10 meters away. Coming back, going back, going back, going back. I think that's far enough. You probably hear echo now because I'm on the staircase. Going back. So I was what? I don't know, 50 meters away, maybe more. Well, let me let me see how this goes. I will just take the card out to the camera and test it out myself and see how it performs. Then I come back for the conclusions. So this is the, what do you call it? This has a weird name. Now I don't have the, it was, where the hell is it? It's here. So this is the Alovon Wireless microphone from Amazon. Let me see how this sounds and let me know in the comments below what you think. You probably hear my cat right now because he meows way too loud, but it's fine. We are very old. Okay, so let me know in the comments below what you think, and I'll come back for the conclusion in a second. Thank you.
So yeah, you heard it like I did the first time. So it looks good. Not excellent, but good. I think it's a little bit on the high end. The bass is quite lacking, but you can fix that in post, no problems. And I still believe that the microphone itself has some gain control, so not gain control, volume control. So I truly believe that I probably have to click a couple times the volume button on the receiver and on the microphone. I think it's still picking up. It's a little bit too loud. It's clipping a little bit. I cannot lower it more on the camera. It's only one tick above low or off. But I'm pretty sure I can tinker a little bit with the mics now for a bit, and I can lower the gain because I feel it clipping sometimes. So there is some fine tuning to be done, but I'm quite happy with it. I have zero complaints. It works fine. You just power on and it works. It worked for 20 meters away, so I could go further if I had the space. No complaints. We have two microphones and one receiver, $45. I mean, I have zero complaints about this. I mean, for the price, perfect. Now a little bit of tinkering, as always, and we should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, it really helps. And comment down below if you want to ask any questions about the mics, or if you want to provide some extra information about the mics. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.